God, welcome back to another video. I hope you're having a gloomy day or a cloudy night. So right now I just got out the shower and I'm about to do my makeup for my gender reveal party, and we are going to have a fun day at the beach. So first thing that I like to do is hydrate my skin with this hydration serum from Sephora. Next, I just put on some foundation, which you can also get from Sephora, and I know it looks way too dark for me, but just trust the process. After that, I just put on some concealer. The one I use has a mixture of like bronzer in it, and it's also from Dior. What you want to do next is just blend it all out and make sure it's even. To finish off my look, I just put on some blush, and you guessed it, it's from Sephora. Cute, right? Now for the most easiest part, doing my hair. Alright, this will just have to do. Okay, time for the finished product. This is my outfit. It's so cute, especially my shoes.
Hey, are you almost done yet?
Yes, I am. The girls should be ready any minute from now.
Oh, okay.
Alright, it's time for me to get ready. Let me just get my dress. I also need my cute little hair clip to match. Alright, now I'm ready to go.
Okay, now we are all ready for the beach, and we will meet you guys there. We just arrived at the beach, so let's go have some fun. Yeah, it really is, but I think this might be way too much food. This looks interesting. This would be perfect next to my book collection. Very fancy.
That one is 341.41 yuan if you're interested.
For that price, absolutely not.
There are more affordable prices for you. Just like this one. It's 95.6 yuan. Cheaper than the last.
Can I please get that melon drink instead? 34.14 yuan, right?
You got it.
Thank you so much. There you go.
I'm guessing I'm keeping the change?
Yeah, sure you are.
Finally, you're back. Get in and let's go.
Before we open presents, I just wanted to thank everyone for being here today. Anyway, this is from my best friend Chloe, so let's see what she got. First thing is this cute little toy. Then there's this bottle. This will be very useful. Last thing is this tiny bottle. I love it. Thank you so much, Chloe. I really appreciate these gifts.
You're welcome, girl. It's really no problem.
This one is definitely from my dad, I can tell. First things first is some nappies, followed by this strawberry toy and 2 adorable clothes. Thanks for the gifts, Dad.
Don't mention it.
Alright, so this last one is from Nurse J. She got a milk warmer, a pacifier, a toy which is quite loud, and another pack of nappy. much, Nurse J. I will definitely use all of these.
You are so welcome, and it is my pleasure.
All right, everyone, let's eat.
Hey pal, can you get me some of that tea?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you.
Everyone, it's time to cut the cake. Oh my god, it's a boy!